Alright, so we have a box of chocolates, right? And the side lengths are represented by polynomials. In this case, they're all trinomials, which means that they have three terms. So, how would we find the perimeter of this box of chocolates? Well, let's just start off with adding up all the side lengths first, right? So, we have x squared plus 8x minus 1, that's one side length, plus 9x squared minus x plus 1, plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 3. Alright, so from here, all of the signs that are separating the bracketed terms are plus signs, which means that we don't have to touch any of the signs inside of these brackets. So we just have to remove them. So we get x squared plus 8x minus 1 plus 9x squared minus x plus 1 plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 3. Alright, sorry, I'll just remove these underlines now, that might be confusing. Alright, perfect. Now, we have to collect like terms. We have to find and identify which terms are the same, or are of the same type. So, we have an x squared, right? And then where else do we see x squared? We see a 3x squared, so plus 3x squared right here. Then we look for, oh, I'm sorry, there's another one, 9x squared, right? Sorry. Alright, next we go for the x terms, so we have a plus 8x, and we see a minus x as well. Well, so we also see a plus 4x. And then all we have to do is find the constants, so we have minus 1, I see a plus 1, and then I see a plus 3. Alright, so now all we have to do is just collect like terms. That's all there is to it. So we have 13x squared, right? 1 plus 1, just x squared plus 3x squared plus 9x squared. Adding up the coefficients, that just gives you 13, which gives us 13x squared. Next, for the x terms, we have 8x minus x plus 4x, which should give us 11x, right? And then the constants, minus 1 plus 1, just cancel out to 0, and then you have a plus 3. Alrighty. So this is the general equation, or the general answer, the general perimeter of this box of chocolates. So now, if I were to ask you, okay, great. Now that we have the general expression for the perimeter, what if I made x 1? So if x is equal to 1, what would you do? Well, all you have to do is just plug it into the equation, right? Or into the general formula, right? Okay, so if we do plug it into the general formula, we will get, so perimeter is equal to 13, 1 squared plus 11, 1 plus 3, which should give us 13 plus 11 plus 3. That means that the perimeter is 13 plus 11, that gives us 24, plus 3, make that 27. And always remember units, so we start off with units, and it's 27 centimeters. That is our perimeter if x is equal to 1.